Hey everyone, David here with Headset Advisor. Yealink just got done sending me this CP700 USB Bluetooth wireless speakerphone. This speakerphone is good for if you're working remotely or you want a better speakerphone for your iPhone or your mobile phone. So we're going to do a little unboxing today. So let's dive in right now. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, this is actually the second time unboxing this because I'll show you in just a second on why, but it includes a manual here. It's wrapped in plastic and it has this hard case, as you see here. But I was under the impression this was a wireless USB with a USB dongle, and I opened this this case up and I couldn't find a dongle anywhere. What I realized after inspecting this further, there's actually a secret hidden dongle in this strap up here. Let me take it out. And there's the USB dongle. This is really important so you get the optimizations for your business communication software. So it just tucks in there like that. I don't know if that's a good design or not, but it is kind of crafty. Like I said, I was doing this video and I just totally couldn't find it. So I was like, is this not a wireless Bluetooth one? So anyways, there's a USB dongle, there's a speaker, there's the case, and then you have your standard packaging and quick start guide. Hey, hit that thumbs up video and subscribe to our channel because we're going to do an in-depth review with a microphone test, and also we'll do some comparisons of this versus other speakerphones in its class. So stay tuned for that and hit that subscribe button so you're notified for that. Overall, I think this seems like a pretty standard speakerphone. Seems nice. I hope it will perform well. Hope you found this video helpful. I'll put a link in the description below to the product on our website. But that's all I have for now, and I hope you have a great day.